Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2014 to 2020 Dodge Durango, the 95-6559B. To start the disassembly, using a pry tool, gently unclip, unplug, and remove the entire climate control panel. Next, remove the 4 9/32 screws from the display screen. And remove, then unplug the radio. Once this is done, the dash needs to be trimmed. Trim the left and right areas of the lower cavity to make clearance for the aftermarket radio. Please refer to the instruction manual as a guide before trimming. When using a doubled-in radio, this module needs to be relocated in order for clearance. Within the cavity, remove the 3 screws from the module, then relocate the module by simply tucking it on either side of the cavity. Here, we will start the assembly on a tabletop. Remove the 4 screws from the factory panel. Then remove the cover. Afterward, remove the 3 climate control knobs from the front panel. Flip the circuit board over, then remove the 6 screws. After, remove the circuit board, then transfer it into the new panel. Remove the remaining 8 screws from the factory panel and place aside. Remove the buttons from the factory kit and place into the new panel. Transfer the rest of the rubber keypads and button assemblies to the new radio trim panel and assemble in reverse order of disassembly. Before placing everything back into the dash, plug in the interface and turn on the ignition to check for functionality. Wait for the light to turn green on interface. Scroll through the various modes and menus to test for functionality. Note, Metra has provided various buttons with this kit depending on the setup of the vehicle. Here we see a blank button being snapped into this 4-inch screen setup. After testing for functionality, plug in the aftermarket radio, then use the 4 screws to secure it. Snap the dash panel on to complete the install. Visit metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio, video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.